Hey guys, it's Thursday, almost Friday, and we need to make sure that you finish up your theme of Sonnet 130 after we have remixed it. Remember theme, the big takeaway theme, no matter if it's Shakespeare or a comic book or a TV show, that when we talk about theme, there are no character names. No character names, no reference, no part of the story. That's all summary. So our theme is going to be the overall encompassing what was this about. So the example as we finish this up is a lot of you guys came up with don't judge a book by its cover, which is fabulous. It is one of the many themes from Sonnet 130 from Shakespeare. So if we use that as the example, so our claim would be the theme from Shakespeare Sonnet 130 is don't judge a book by its cover. We then need a quote. So as we come down here, the poem says, and you can use either direct lines from the original sonnet or you can use the remix that you did as long as it has quotation marks. And then probably the most important part of this one is this quote explains the theme because, or this quote explains the theme, don't judge a book by a cover because, and then you refer back to your quote. So you're not going to say the quote again, but you're going to say because he describes her in a way that's not appealing, but he still shows that she is a good person on the inside, or explains that it is her personality that is what makes a person, not the outside. Anything along those lines in your own words is perfect. And that is your 3 sentences. That is a giant chunk of the paragraph. We just didn't do an intro and a conclusion, which is cool at this point. So a lot of you that I have looked through today as we worked, because we did this in class, they are phenomenal. Thank you. Please make sure that you have capital letters at the beginning of each sentence, and make sure you have periods at the end. This is considered a fancy writing, so we need to make sure that words aren't spelled correctly if they have red squigglies underneath them. You need to make sure that you spell check and get those fixed. Make sure you have apostrophes if you need them. So don't is D-O-N apostrophe T. I know we don't do a lot of that when we text back and forth and post on social media, but this is one of those fancy things. So we need to show everyone that we have the skills and that we can use them. If you have any questions, help time is 1:30 to 2:30 for my office hours. Stop on in anytime. Recap for this week. So the remix and the theme is due from Sonnet 130. They're all in one place. You need to have the Membeam for the week and your reading log for the week. Those aren't just daily tasks. Those are weekly tasks that you need to do, that you are responsible for, because they are a solo thing. And the extra credit. If you want to draw, illustrate, create the Dark Lady, girlfriend, mistress that Shakespeare described, as long as there's effort, I am willing to do that. So if y'all have any questions, you know where to find me. If not, tomorrow's almost Friday, for another weekend that I know we're excited for. So thank you all for your hard work, and I will see you tomorrow morning.